Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to introduce you to our course in Islamic psychology. Islamic psychology is a new field. It is something which is lacking in most Muslim countries. We have psychology, yes, Western psychology, which has its own basis and approach to understanding human beings, how they think, how they react, how they interact. Islamic psychology is based on the fact that human beings have a soul. Western psychology don't believe in the soul. They observe animals and the way that animals operate. They've drawn certain conclusions and they've applied that to human beings. But we are more than just animals. So Islamic psychology seeks to bring human beings into the holistic picture of life on earth. And this area of study is vital for the development of our institutions, even in businesses, even in the military or in whatever field. Psychology has a role. So we invite you to join the International Open University and to enter into this new field of Islamic psychology, to make a difference in the future for human beings in the world in general. It is a new and challenging field, which I'm sure those of you who have this inclination would greatly enjoy. So commit yourselves to study from this Islamic perspective. Psychology needs this guidance. Be the leaders in this field to create a new world vision for understanding human beings and how they interact. So my brothers and sisters, those of you who have this inclination, we welcome you to join the Department of Islamic Psychology in the International Open University. We welcome you on board to share with the great scholars that we have connected to us, as well as with the younger and new scholars who are graduating in this field. Thank you for giving me of your time, and we hope that this time will have served you well.